Welcome back to my pranayam series. In the previous episode, we learned a very powerful pranayam technique known as the alternate nostril breathing or the Anulom Vilom. We learned how we have to breathe in and breathe out in the ratio of 1:2. So the exhalation is always double the inhalation. Now today, if we are ready to progress to step 2, if you have been practicing step 1 for a while and you feel now comfortable to breathe in on the count of 8 and breathe out on the count of 16, you're now ready to progress to the next step. So in step number 2, we introduced a retention to this technique. This retention, also known as Kumbhaka in Sanskrit, means you breathe in, you hold the breath, and then you breathe out. This is a very important part of any breathing technique because during retention of the breath, you increase the gaseous exchange in the body. So what happens is when you're breathing in, a lot more oxygen is being absorbed by the cells of the body, and also an increased quantity of carbon dioxide is exhaled. So it's very important to practice retention while you're learning any breathing technique. Now ideally, you're supposed to do this 1:4:2. So which means you're holding the breath for 4 times your inhalation and you exhaling it out similarly as step 1, double the inhalation. But that becomes a little bit more challenging. So we have broken it down to 2 steps. In this step, we're going to follow 1:2:2, which means we're going to breathe in, count of 1. We're going to hold, count of 2, and we're going to breathe out the count of 2 again. So we're going to start anything from the count of 3 and 4 is a good starting point. So I'm going to show you the basics remain the same. I'm not going to repeat that. You can just refer to the previous episode and you'll learn how to sit and how to do the initial setup for the technique. And then we breathe in through the left nostril. So breathe in on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close both the nostrils and hold the breath for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you exhale on the count of 8 again through the right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now you again inhale through the right for the count of 4, hold for the count of 8 and exhale on the count of 8. So this is the step number 2. Now you practice it for a month, for 2 months and keep progressing. So you do at least 10 to 15 rounds every day, and then when you start feeling very comfortable, you increase the count. So you start with 4:8:8, you progress to 5:10:10, 6, 7, and then when you finally reach 8, so 8:16:16, that is the time when you are ready to progress into step number 3, for which you have to wait for the next video. Keep doing this foundation because this is very important. If you straight away jump to the step number 3, you might find it very difficult and then you might eventually give up. So it's very important that you go stepwise. Give your body the time, give your lungs time to adapt to this kind of breathing, to hold the breath for such longer durations, and then only when you're ready, you move up to the next level. Make sure that you're not forcing yourself, you don't forcefully hold the breath, you're not struggling when you're holding the breath. It's always all right to step back if you're facing a lot of challenges when you're doing for example, the count of 6. So you do few rounds in the count of 6, and then if you start feeling that it's very hard, regress. Do rest of the rounds in the count of 5 or even 4. It's always better to do it on a smaller count and progress slowly rather than pushing yourself too hard and then eventually, harming yourself rather than getting the benefits of the entire process. So please make sure that you are very careful when you're doing this. And when you do this, when you practice this, it's very easy for you to get into the meditation mode. So after you finish this, it's beneficial that you don't just get up and get into your daily chores. Rather, just sit for a while and try to meditate on your breath or any other technique that you use. So if you like my content, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this with your family and your friends or with anyone who is interested in learning these techniques. I will be sharing the next video very soon. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.